Alright, we're back. Um, Gauges, hood pins, Zeus fasteners, and brake caliper markings. Alright, this is from Slicks. So I'm going to steal a couple of the decals out of there, and we're going to use them. Once again, I'm sticking with the color scheme. I've got a silver dashboard. Always helpful to have the blade, scalpel blade here. Slide it off. And it's always nice to have and it's fighting me. Of course it is. Stands out. And that's what you're shooting for. Now, when you're applying these, make sure you use hot water. It doesn't have to be boiling. Some guys use little warmers that you use for candles. Me, I still prefer the old stuff in the old ways, naturally, because I am of that age. They're worth their weight in gold. Use them to tamp everything down. They're soft enough that they won't tear anything up. Dalton's snoring his little behind off. Now you can also put in your water, you put a little bit of a drop or two of Dawn dish detergent, and that helps decal slide. I'm getting there. %100% cotton. Available at your local millinery stationery store, Joanne Fabrics, etc., etc. That way everything goes down. It's where it belongs. In your in hose. Alright, there's your instrument panel. Sticks out nice. Goes with the flow of the colors that we're using. And it's framed very nicely with the silver. Sits down in. I'm a happy boy. Okay, so try not to make a mess with this because this thing is probably about as old as you are. Step back from the train world. Some of the best paint that they ever had on the market. And they were bought up by testers and they promptly took it off the market.
That would be flow quill.
Beg your pardon?
Said that would be flow quill.
I didn't hear you.
Flow quill.
Yes. Very tough to find now. Your dad and I used this exclusively back in the train days. Flows beautiful, dries beautiful, with very little, if any, brush strokes. This one's going to be rough, but we'll get it. Okay. Now, you see, right out. Now everything's the way you want it to be. Now, gonna clean the brush. Always keep your thinner away. Always keep your paint bottle set off to the side. Last thing you want to do is have it do the dance. Now, this is called liquid glass. And it's made by a company called Close to My Heart. Okay, you can buy this at Joanne Fabrics. Also, Art Lasky, you look him up on Facebook, he carries it also. Now, Now, what I like about this stuff, it dries clear. It's got a little bit of hump to it. It dries pretty quick too. So, when you use it, make sure you set it down flat. Speaking of which, now it sits down flat. Alright kids, just an example of how you can do a dashboard. Didn't take all that much. Nicely detailed. Everything you're looking through windows of the car, you can pick anything and everything out. So, this is the way we do things around here. If it was a, like I said, if this was a full-blown, these would be drilled out and there would be actual knobs put on there. But we don't have to go psycho on this one. So until the next time, it's the old man. This is Jake and this is Lone Wolf Custom Painting. Happy Friday to y'all. God bless. Have a great weekend and we'll catch you next week.